Back then, Mississippi was all we knew, a little place called Pew City. Mom had 9 mouths to feed and 1 more on the way. That baby was me.
Attention! A tornado warning has been issued for Lee, Floyd, and Humphrey counties. Take cover immediately. I repeat, there is a tornado warning. Please go to a safe area.
We all go in the back doorway. Boone, take the kids over there. Hurry.
That pit had saved lives before. We just hoped it'd save ours again.
Where's the house?
The house was gone, but we were alive. We had nothing. No roof, no bed, but we had each other. I came into this world just months later. Mud and noise, but I was here. We didn't have a plan.
Hamble, have you heard?
We laughed when we could, cried when we had to, but the world kept turning. She didn't mean to, but when pain meets liquor, sometimes the hand don't listen to the heart.
Boone,
No.
Don't tell me nothing.
get away.
In here, Brett! Look at me when I talk to you!
Oh!
You just stabbed me?
He fell hard, not from the knife, but from the stumble. They rushed him to the hospital, but the body had already let go. They charged her with murder, but that ain't what killed him. Even through the loss, folks showed up, some to pray, some to watch, but the kids, they just felt it.
He died from a concussion.
Release her.
She came home.
I'm home.
It was time to go. We didn't have much, but that car held everything we owned and everyone we loved. We came from the mud tornadoes, pain and death, but that was only the beginning. We got it out the mud,